Always read the description.
You know, the longer I spend looking at them, the more I start to convince myself I could put a tree in my room.
Yeah.
I really think I could.
That's shocking. Oh, it looked good! Sorry. You've watched the episode. Love it.
Oh, have a good day.
Oh, thanks. It's only going to be like 20 minutes.
I think I want to dye my hair today. I mean, like, my hair is really washed out now and it doesn't quite show up on camera like this, that it's really silver at the ends now, and that almost the entirety of the really vibrant purple I usually use is gone. But I have this darker purple called blueberry, and I have some blue. And I'm kind of tempted to just blueberry the whole top down to like here, and then just blue the bottom. So maybe I'll do that today. I also made the mistake. I made the mistake on stream about a month or so ago. I said that if we go into lockdown for 7+ days again, like 7 days or more, again, then I will stream every day. And so I'm streaming every day, at least for a week. I think I'm just gonna do a little Minecraft one tonight and then maybe start some Stardew Valley tomorrow. That sounds fun. I just need to do a very big restock tomorrow, and I want to start cutting Sticker Club stuff so that I can be on top of that too. I also did my 24-hour stream last week. That was a lot. We played Minecraft almost the entire time for almost an entire 24 hours straight. This is my new friend I got at the plant center yesterday. It's coping with the move. It is a fern, a silver lady fern. And I'm very excited to try and keep this alive in my room, which gets way too much sun for it. It's already looking a little crispy, and I'm like, I'm sorry, my friend. We'll see. We'll see. I never asked. Oh my god. My hair looks so pink lately, and I kind of love it.
Did you? Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
So handsome. So annoyed.
Alright, Mel, back to the pizza?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
I'm just gonna grab a pen.
Yeah, the idea of putting not putting it on to a hot stove.
Yeah. Like, I want to join in, and the other girls just dogged on her. But he actually said to her, can we pull and
We did like a talking.
Wait, I always used to just do this as a kid in my bedroom and see what animal it looks like.
Just random hair.
Look, it's a unicorn with a goatee.
Wow, I really did that to my hair, didn't I? My plan is that once I get a hold of my usual purple that I use, I'm gonna, you know, do all of the top bit and get some more blue too to kind of like fix this up a little and blend it in nicely in the middle. So it's gonna go from purple to blue, well, like my roots to purple to blue. I lost a whole bunch of footage for this vlog in the import process, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's a little bit of a mess. But gosh, the rain is lovely today. Like every day for the last 2 weeks or so, I've just found out something awful. It's just been bad news after bad news after bad news. And it's a lot, it's a whole lot, but I have a much better support system now than I used to. You know, having people that are there for you because they love you and they care about you and all of that is just, it's really good. It's really good. And having a community grow on Twitch that is so kind and supportive and understanding. Like, you know, of course I don't give them the details of everything going on in my life, but I can say like, look, you know, I'm having a rough day, and they are just so lovely about it. They're always like, yeah, cancel your stream if you need to, like we're gonna be back next stream anyway, and they always are, and it's just, it's amazing. It's so lovely. And to everybody here on YouTube, when I don't upload for a month without any explanation, I haven't uploaded on Instagram since January. I just upload a video and it does the same as normal, and there's all, you guys are just so lovely in my comments, and I just having these communities online and knowing that there are people in the world who are that nice to someone they don't even know on the internet is just so, y'all are lovely is what I'm trying to say. Y'all are lovely. I think I'm going to spend the rest of this day editing this video. Something I started doing with my sticker clip kind of recently, like a couple months ago, is printing out their addresses. I used to address like hundreds of envelopes by hand, and it was it was a lot. It was so a lot. It was so much, and it would take me so much time. I don't know why I put it off for so long, but I finally started addressing them, like just copying and pasting all of the addresses in and printing them out onto a page, and then it's just so much faster. And I bet my hands are probably thanking me for that one too. My hands and my wrists are probably greatly thanking me for that. I need to repackage my small mountain of mail that just got sent back to me. I might do that tomorrow. Anyways, lots of work to do, as always. Way too much work to do. But I think cutting down my sticker club has been honestly the hit that I have taken to my income from my changing up my sticker club structure. It's like, I get it, of course, I get it. But gosh, that's scary. Whew, that's scary. I have a sticker clip, by the way. Consider checking it out. Yeah, I think most avenues of my income, like my shop and everything, still haven't recovered from my holiday break. They still really haven't recovered from that, and it has been hard, but I'm doing okay. Yes, lots of work to do, and I just want to say thank you guys for being here. Thanks so much for watching, especially if you made it this far, right to the end. I really appreciate it. Consider dropping a like on it if you liked this video, and maybe subscribe for more of my garbage. My Twitch, shop, Patreon, my Instagram that I don't post to, all that stuff will be linked in the description box down below if you want to check any of that out. Thanks so much for keeping me company. I'll see you next week.